Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. For your daily reading, guys, we'll be picking cards. Before we start the reading, Scorpios, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings lots of happiness, success and prosperity in your lives, guys. So let's start the reading now. We'll be picking cards for your daily situation first. For your career situation, that will be specific to your work situation. Some questions you may have regarding your situation, and the cards for your relationship, it may answer whatever doubts you have regarding your situation, guys. So it will be specific to your relationship, so stay tuned for that. These are for your relationship, Scorpios. So I will turn these cards as we proceed. So let's start with your daily reading first. Scorpios, Queen of Swords in reverse, Seven of Cups and the World in reverse. So with these cards, Scorpios, I see that today you are having some dreams, maybe some aspirations about your future, how things should go, some fantasies about your future, and you are thinking of too many things, too many dreams that you have for your life, the goals that you have to reach, and these dreams are simply overwhelming you, and the task in front of you to achieve those dreams, it may be daunting. But though you have the skill, talent and ability, too much dreaming also may not work in a beneficial way for you, so you need to get down to action. That is what is important today, Scorpios. So if you are going to start with that small step every time, go in for that action to manifest those dreams, you will be successful, guys. That is what I see. And there are people in your situation, or it may be your energy, you are just posing as someone. In truth, you are someone else. Maybe you are hiding your true feelings for someone, or you are hiding that true face. Maybe you feel that this person does not need to see the truth in you, or it may be in your work, you are not showing that your true intentions in your work. So you're hiding some truth, or it may be someone else's energy in your situation. So it may impact you, this person hiding the truth from you, it may impact you, guys. And I also see that you are quite you are not making the necessary efforts, just like I said before, that lethargy is there, that inertness is there, that energy is there, guys, with these cards. So you are not making that necessary action, whatever is needed for your success, Scorpios. That is also what I see, guys, with these cards. Let us see what are the cards for your career. So this will be specific to your career situation, Scorpios. Death in reverse, Three of Swords and Knight of Cups in reverse. So with these cards, again we see that you are quite inert, you don't want to take up that action. Maybe you are simply dreaming, or you are speaking loudly about your dreams or aspirations, but you are not going in for that action. And the reasons, maybe you feel that you don't have anybody, you're quite lonely, you feel, and there are no you may not have that true friends, the friends with that true concern in your career. So no one is helping you, you may feel. So that may be the reason that you're waiting for that right person to help you, or it may be someone's energy in your work situation. They are waiting for your help, but you are not giving them your help because you yourself are quite inert, you don't want to take part in that work. And there are people trying to cheat you today, guys, trying to involve you in some fraudulent activities, trick you into something to swindle money from you. You have to be really careful, Scorpios. That is what I see with these cards, guys. If you know who it is, or if you have that doubt about somebody, you have to stay away from them for your own good. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So you have to jump into action in your career situation, guys, Scorpios. Let us see what are these cards. It's 5 of Cups in reverse, Ace of Cups in reverse, and the Hierophant in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, you may have that, you may share that understanding with this person, and maybe for some of you, you are being really sympathetic with them because they may have some addictions and you just want to help them. It may be their energy towards you or your energy towards them, guys. So this weakness is stressing them a lot, this person. So you want to help them. So however rashly or badly they behave, you give love in return. So that may again act against you. So this person may feel that you are weak. That is the reason that you are showering them with love. So something you are doing is this person may feel that that is not right. So your showering of this love, that true love you have, they may see that as your weakness, guys. So they may not respect you. So they do not have this true concern or respect or that caring attitude towards you, Scorpios. So you need to be careful with this person. And maybe for some of you, you are getting your past person coming back to you, visiting you, or it may be your friend visiting you, coming back, with whom you lost contact for a long time now, quite some time. So that person is coming as a surprise visit. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.